I recently did a workshop online, just 1 hour. It was expressive florals and my quick techniques to help you loosen up and have fun doing fun, drippy, colorful florals. It was actually a virtual workshop. Here's a little look at what it kind of looked like, condensed into just about 1 minute, and the finished product. Right, so if you really wanted your red to pop, you would wait for this to dry. Where I'll go around. I'm just doing white out of my jar and mixing that Indian yellow. You go out, your lines will get a little thicker. Your dots, and you're going to do that in a big circle like hydrangeas are. Literally just pull out. Blue is always a good go-to for shadowing. That's white on top of that green gold. These are very childlike shapes. Follow me for more online tutorials I'll be posting soon.